Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you run actions as an administrator and clear simple blockers. First, sign into an admin account, check Windows Update and restart if updates are pending. This often frees the store. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft Store, select Advanced Options and choose Reset. This flushes cache and app data without harming purchases. The why? A reset kills hung processes and restores default state, which resolves most stuck update states quickly. Now you tackle background services and cache that interfere with updates. Stop and restart Windows Update and bit services via services. MSC, this clears queued downloads. Then run WS Reset. EXE to wipe the Microsoft Store cache. You will see a blank command window and the store reopens afterward. Next, run the built-in Windows Store app's troubleshooter from settings to auto-fix permissions and network issues. Make sure your clock and time zone are correct, because certificate checks finish by reinstalling the store if it still hangs and inspect error logs to pinpoint causes. Run PowerShell as admin and use getapps package *Windows Store *remove apps package, then reinstall via the store package or use add apps package. This replaces corrupted app files. Check Event Viewer apps deployment logs and verify proxies or VPNs aren't blocking downloads. Once done, run sfc/scano to repair system files or create a new user profile to isolate account issues. Troubleshooting tip: if reinstall fails, capture error codes from Event Viewer and search for that code when asking for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.